Hello, my name is Dr. Iyad Al-Attar, along with my colleague, Mr. Stefan Nicolas. We'll be presenting an air filtration course that will provide an overview of the air quality requirements for hospital application. We'll also be highlighting the common contaminants challenging the installed air filters and investigate filter performance, selection, stages, and installation, as well as processes such as particle loading and filter clogging. Participants in this course will have the opportunity to learn how climate and operational conditions influence the filter performance and how to appropriately replace and dispose of filter. Participants will also gain the required knowledge relevant to measuring, monitoring, and managing indoor air quality. We will conclude by addressing recent updates on filtration standards, developments, challenges, and future trends for healthcare applications. This is going to be a great course. I look forward to welcoming all of you. See you then.